And some updates coming in on the Aryan case and Narcotics Control Bureau. More information, in fact, is coming in on the SIT that's been formed to probe the Mumbai drugs on cruise plus 5 other cases. According to NCB, SIT sources, the central SIT team will comprise of 15 officers who are from different zones. The SIT is going to reach Mumbai by today noon, and sources also say, very importantly, that while the SIT will not probe the case from scratch but only take it further if any wrongdoing is found, they will investigate the cases from the beginning. Right, so some more updates coming in on the SIT that has been formed now by the Narcotics Control Bureau to probe Aryan Khan case and 5 other cases. In fact, sources are also telling us that this particular team is going to reach Mumbai today itself by noon. In fact, this particular central SIT team is going to comprise of 15 officers, and they all belong from different zones. In fact, we are also getting to know from sources that while the SIT will not probe the case from the scratch, no fresh probe will take place in this particular case, but only take it further if any wrongdoing is, however, is found. They will investigate the cases from the beginning. In fact, Santhya Gora is with us to give more details on this. So, Santhya, good morning. Very important news break that you've got for us via sources, and they are telling us that there will be no fresh probe in the case as of now. There will be no probe from the scratch as far as the SIT is concerned. Help us break it down. What exactly is the impact on the case, on the accused, all the witnesses that have been involved because of this development?
So, Gauri, as you rightly gave out the details, that this SIT is formed by NCB. It's going to comprise of members from all the zones of NCB, including Delhi zone. So, except Mumbai zone NCB officials, there are 15 odd members who are a part of this SIT. They are from rest of the zones of NCB, and they are going to reach Mumbai at around 12 noon, 1 p.m. today. And talking about what they are going to do, it was yesterday that NCB announced that 6 cases which were investigated by Mumbai NCB, which includes Aryan Khan drug bust case and Samir Khan, son-in-law of Cabinet Minister of Maharashtra Nawab Malik's that case. Both of these cases, along with 4 more cases, are given to this SIT, and Mumbai NCB team will have nothing to do with further investigation of any of these cases. Now, talking about the impact, how this should be, analyzed, looked at, Gauri, first, we have to remember one thing, that this is a change which has taken place after Samir Wankhede and his entire team faced multiple and extremely serious allegations. Extortion was number 1 allegation. Maharashtra's Cabinet Minister Nawab Malik accused Samir Wankhede and his team of extorting money from Bollywood personalities and other prominent people by threatening them to frame them into false cases of NDPS. Now, that's one allegation the team and Samir Wankhede is facing. And these allegations are made by Nawab Malik, Gauri. Second is that they are tampering with the evidences in order to strengthen the prosecution. Then they are fabricating the evidences. They are manufacturing facts actually to suit their case. And apart from that, the punch witnesses of this case are also under radar, under scanner, because Nawab Malik in a press conference claimed that some of these panchas are actually tainted. In fact, it was true. One of the pancha is accused of cheating and was wanted in 2 FIRs in Maharashtra, and now he's arrested also. So we have to look at this change in this backdrop. So yes, it is a major setback for Samir Wankhede and his team. Another thing is, Gauri, that a vigilance team of NCB is looking into all these allegations leveled against Samir Wankhede and his team. We also have to remember that this is not really a punishment or conclusion of that inquiry which is going on. So it should not be considered that also, because the vigilance team, the inquiry is yet to be concluded. That report is yet to be out. So what exactly the vigilance team has found out, whether there is any meat to these allegations or not, that is something which we don't know as of now. So this cannot be directly looked at the punishment, but definitely a major setback not a routine thing, does not happen on a usual basis that one agency decides to take over prestigious, important, high-profile cases from one unit of the agency and gives it to another one in the middle of these massive, serious allegations.
That's right. It's a very, very important development there. And of course, Sandhya, stay with us. There are certain more updates that our viewers need to know in this particular case. In a big development, remember, Mumbai NCB zonal head Sameer Wankhede will no longer probe the Aryan case, as Sandhya was also pointing out. And this, along with 5 other cases, will be taken over by the Delhi unit and will be probed by an SIT. Now, the central agency said that they took this decision to conduct deeper investigation in cases which have national and international ramifications. They also clarified that no officers have been removed from their present roles. Now, the development comes days after accusations of corruption were leveled against Sameer Wankhede, the zonal director of Narcotics Control Bureau. And meanwhile, Wankhede says that he himself, in a writ petition, had sought a transfer of the case to Delhi. However, Mirror now has learned that the reality is actually completely different and that no such probe transfer plea was made by Wankhede in the court. In fact, here is a conversation with the Mumbai Zonal Chief, Sameer Wankhede.
हेलो
हेलो
जी सर, नमस्ते।
हाँ नमस्ते बोलो
सर, ये जो केसेस हैं ये सारे मतलब आर्यन और टोटल कितने केसेस हैं सर?
आर्यन खान केस, समीर खान केस, अनुज केशवानी अपना करण सजनानी केस, ये जो गांजा 194 केजी गांजा वंजा है,
जी जी।
दिस केस इज बीन मॉनिटर्ड बाय वेरी सीनियर आईपीएस ऑफिसर फ्रॉम दिल्ली, संजय सिंह सर. आई एम स्टिल द जोनल डायरेक्टर एंड आई वाज नेवर द आई ऑफ द केस जो मेरे से छीनवीन लिया गया.
अच्छा
आई एम जस्ट अ जोनल डायरेक्टर मुंबई, विच जो हमारे जोन में केस बुक हुआ था, तो आई एम द सुपरवाइजरी ऑफिसर. अभी यहाँ पर अभी द केस हैज बीन ट्रांसफर्ड टू दिल्ली. सेम मेरा जो पहले योगदान था अभी भी योगदान रहेगा. क्या मीडिया चला रही है, डोंट अंडरस्टैंड.
ओके सर, तो इसकी डिमांड तो सर आपने भी किया था ना एक बार की?
रिट पिटीशन, या रिट पिटीशन एट फाइल एनी सेंट्रल इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसी शुड आइदर एनआईए, सीबीआई और एनी सेंट्रल एजेंसी शुड इन्वेस्टिगेट द केस.
ओके सर, तो ठीक है सर, थैंक यू सर.
And very interesting point that you unearthed, Sandhya, and we just heard Wankhede saying that also how he's actually making false claims regarding reported request for central team to take over the case. Help us with the discrepancies here, and also what could be the possible reason behind these false claims that have been made by Wankhede?
Sorry, when Sameer Wankhede spoke to us yesterday, when he spoke to Mirror Now, he said that it was he himself who actually demanded that the case, Aryan Khan case and Sameer Khan case, should be transferred to either CBI or NIA, or it should be transferred to the central team of NCB. He said that he actually filed a writ petition in Bombay High Court making this demand. After that, when our colleague Anuj Mishra spoke to him, he said the same thing to him and we heard what he said. But what Mirror Now has found out, we went through the entire writ petition, we read the writ petition. 2 things about the writ petition. First, that writ petition was disposed of on the same day it was filed. That was 28th of October. So whatever prayers were made by Sameer Wankhede were not even considered by the court. Second, let's get into what prayers were actually made. What Sameer Wankhede requested Bombay High Court, Sameer Wankhede said that if Maharashtra government files or proposes to file any FIR against Sameer Wankhede related to corruption, those FIRs should be investigated by either CBI or NIA, and Maharashtra government should not take any coercive action against Sameer Wankhede. This is what the writ petition prayed. Nowhere in this entire writ petition, Sameer Wankhede requested the court that Sameer Khan and Aryan Khan's case should be transferred to central team of NCB. Nowhere, or NIA or CBI for that matter. Nowhere in the entire petition he made that prayer. In fact, as I said, that petition was anyway disposed of. And talking about the reasons, that can be one attempt to do some face saving by Sameer Wankhede, but why exactly he made such a false claim, which could have been easily rebutted if anybody would have went through that writ petition. But other than an attempt to save his face, no other reason looks possible right now.
That's right.
But again, what exactly led to that, we cannot, because Sameer Wankhede, we did try to question him on that also, that why did he make that false claim, but we didn't get an answer to that question.
That's right. Sandhya, thank you for sharing all those details. And we are slipping into a very, very short break. Stay tuned to Mirror Now.